Well, hello world. It's call me Dahlia, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's look, I wanted to do a teal inspired halo eye look. Did I get that right? Hopefully. Oh, and look what I got. I thought these were the cutest things ever. You could probably hear background noise right now because my kids got home from school, and that's that. Do I have anything else to say other than how cute are these? I mean, just because of these and how cute they are and how cute I look, you know, I'm just saying. You have to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, right? Simple, easy peasy. But let's move on. Why do I want to do this? Let's just jump into this video. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off the camera, and I used the NYX Tame Frame pomade in the shade Black, and then I just cleaned up eyebrows with some Sharp Tape concealer, and then I went ahead and used that as primer, and then I set that with Makeup Revolution's banana powder. There we go. Now we're up to date. So for today's eye look, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to start off with creamsicle and pukey as my transition shade, and I'm going to take a Sigma E40 blending brush. Honestly, you can use whatever blending brush that you want. This one's just what I have and what I usually gravitate towards. I have some Morphe ones, but like I said, I like using this one. And I'm just using circular motions. Sometimes I go in with like a windshield wiper motion, but most of the time I just go in circular motions. And then I'm just going to go back in and keep building up that color. Okay, so I'm going to take Roxanne and Buns on the same Sigma E40 blending brush, and I'm just going to layer that on top. Water break. Tastes so good. That was not a good one. What was I thinking? I'm just gonna keep building up that color and blending. I'm going to take Chip and Mocha on a Sephora eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pack this on the outer and inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to kind of bring it into my crease, like I'm going to connect it at the top. And I'm leaving the center of my lid open. And then I'm going to go back in with my Sigma E40 brush with Roxanne and Buns, and I'm going to kind of buff it out up top so it's not as harsh. Although I put a little too much on my brush. I'm going to go in with a brush like this. This says it's from icing. I don't know. but I like the shape of it, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to just apply it to the center. And I'm just gonna kind of soften out the edges. I know people like to use their fingers. I don't. I just kind of like wipe off the brush and then go from there. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Diva on just a flat shader brush, and this is a Sigma E56. And I'm going to put this like on the sides, like where I'll put it right next to the brown, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. So for the next shade, I'm going to grab Pool Party on that same flat shader brush, and I'm going to apply it to the center. Then I'm going to grab Diva again and just kind of mesh it all together. I'm going to go back in with that Sephora brush, and I'm going to take Chip and Mocha. And just kind of blend it in and deepen it up. Alright, so that is one eye done. I'm going to do my other eye off of camera and apply some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see I did a little bit more than just my other eye. I applied Kiss lashes in the style Corset. They are my favorite lashes. They're my tried and true. I love this particular style from this brand. I did my base, and you know, I'll just go ahead and list all the products down below in the description bar. And now I'm going to go in with my highlight. I'm going to take Becca highlight in this style, in Champagne Pop. I'm going to put some on my nose. Right here on my nose, bridge. I love a good highlight mustache. I'm also going to take this and use this as an inner corner highlight. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone right here. Do a little bit above, just a little bit. Alright, now that I'm all dusty, crusty, and powdery, I'm going to spray some MAC Fix Plus so that it can melt all together. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to my eyes. I'm going to take a flat definer. This is a Sigma E15, and I'm going to take Chip and Mocha, and I'm going to apply this closest to my lashes. I'm going to buff out Chip and Mocha using a Morphe E18, and I'm going to take Roxanne and Buns. Then I'm going to take Creamsicle and Pukey on the same E18, and I'm just going to go right underneath it. So we're just going to put all the colors that we used on top of the lid at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to try something. If I don't like it, I'm just going to cover it up. But I'm going to take Jada on an angle brush. This is just a Wet n Wild. And I'm going to put this on my waterline. Okay, so we're almost done. We're wrapping it up. I'm going to take Rimmel's Lash Accelerator for my bottom lashes. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to take this NYX Liquid Suede in Sandstorm. Alright, so I'm loving this look, but I think I'm going to add a gloss over this. This lip gloss is from the brand Uma Cosmetics. It's just a nude lip gloss. I got this while we were in Germany. So you can just use whatever nude lip gloss you have. Oh, let me put some eyebrow gel. This is just NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. I'm really just kind of brushing it through, getting any powder or whatnot that might have gotten in them. Alright guys, this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Since you made it this far, you might as well push the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every single time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Why is there all this noise? Come on. Want to be a motorcycle? Let's go. Gotta cook dinner. I want you to see all my freckles mixed in with my acne.